up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video for you guys. I have another video for you guys. I got this video request from one of my viewers, Jack. I hope Jack you're subscribed to the channel, and I hope you turned your notification bell on so if this video is up you can see it. So if you're seeing it, that means you did all of that in advance. I thank you. So I'm going to do the braces rubber band challenge, and well, they're not really rubber bands, but that's what they call them, braces rubber band challenge. And I had to end up going and look and find out what this thing is, because I was like, huh, there's a thing, there's such a thing as braces rubber band challenge. So I have these elastics. They're really elastics. The rubber bands are the actual really small ones that go in each bracket, but you don't get those. So I have the elastics, which is what you get. So I guess you could call them rubber bands, you could call them elastics, it's whatever. So oh, you wondering, like, hold up, did I change my scenario? Yes, I did, honey. This is my room, my blue room. I call this my blue room. So this is my blue room. I don't really film in here because normally in hair is a mess, but I don't really film in hair. But I decided, let me go ahead and change it up on you guys. You know, I don't know if y'all like seeing me with my plain white background. It don't matter really, but you know, sometimes you just want to switch it up. Okay, all right, I'm talking a lot, so let's get right into this challenge. So I have all these elastics right here. I don't use these anymore. I used to use them. So I'm just going to start putting them in, and let's see. That was the first one. Comment below how many elastics you think I could get in my mouth before you watch the full video. Like right now, comment below how many rubber bands you think I can fit in my teeth. And watch the video till the end and then see if you're correct, okay? Alright, so this is the second one. Oh jeez. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Okay, I'm just going to pour them out of the bag. Oh jeez. Fifth one. Oh, these might be too big. Let me see. See? Be coming out. So this, okay, the fifth one just came out. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I'll just handle that. Okay, so let me put these back in. So 6. 7. Oh my gosh. 8. Oh, this don't want to stay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's coming out. Okay, so this is supposed to be 8. If I could get it in. Eight. Okay, so they're coming out. They're all falling out my mouth. I have these that are smaller, but I need them. So, okay, so let me try see if I could use these. These are some smaller ones. So I'm going to try the smaller ones to see if they'll stay in, because the bigger ones I tried, they keep falling off. So I was only able to get 8 in. So I'm going to try to put these smaller ones in and see if they will stay in. So here we go. Do I need my mirror? Let's see. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, I can't get nothing. Ow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I quit. I'm done. Yeah, I could only get 4 in. I tried to put the 5th one in. It's not connecting. It's not working out at all. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know. This is a strange one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I could only get 4 in. Man, I feel like, oh my gosh, it feels like shut tight. Alright, I think that's it. This video is getting really awkward, really weird, really fast. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video somewhat. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh my gosh, let me take these off. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I do have a braces appointment this Tuesday coming up, so I'm gonna be posting a video on Tuesday about that, because I think that appointment I'm supposed to be getting my retainer impression. I'm not sure, because this still hasn't closed off completely. It's supposed to look like this, but I don't know. So whatever he says, you know, if he's like, okay, still go ahead, take it off, I'll just take it off, because right about now I'm pretty much done with braces. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this braces update, but that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.